The Tripura Upajati Ganamukti Parishad TUGMP, powerful tribal front organization of the CPIM, has decided to further intensify its ongoing agitation on a 10-point charter of demands in public interest. An interaction with the media on Wednesday in the state CPIM headquarters by veteran leaders Jiten Chaudhary, President of GMP, and Radhacharan Debarma, General Secretary of the outfit, discussed several issues in this regard. Speaking on the issue, Radhacharan Debarma, former Chief Executive Member of ADC, said that the Jumias, that is the shifting cultivators in the hilly areas, are passing days in terrible crisis because of lack of rainfall and destruction by beasts and birds of the Jum crop, leading to repeated sowing of seeds at much higher cost. Each family of the shifting cultivators should be given rupees 5,000 each during the pendency of the corona crisis. When the left front was in power in the ADC, the Jumias used to be given a lot of help. But all this stopped from May last year when the left front had relinquished office following the end of term in ADC, said Radhacharan Debarma. He also demanded MGN Rega work for at least 10 days a month and payment of wages in time in the entire ADC area as well as in other parts of the state because of the ongoing crisis caused by COVID pandemic. Radhacharan Debarma further demanded government action to ease the pressure of microfinance organizations on people in the hilly and plainland area for repayment of loan interest in the present crisis situation and to take strong exception of the cancellation of names of beneficiaries of Prime Minister Awas Yojana on the ground that these beneficiaries had been selected on the basis of 2011 census.
সামাজিক যে পাতা ছিল এটা কেটে দিয়েছে এখন নতুন করে আরো প্রায় 30,000 মতো নতুন পাতা পাওয়ার জন্য দরখাস্ত করেছে নতুন করে পাতাও দেওয়া হয় নাই যারা তাদের পাতা কাটা হয়েছে তারা সাংঘাতিক মানে একটা আর্থিক অবস্থা একটা দুর্বিষহ একটা অবস্থার মধ্যে আছে কাজেই তাদের পাতা কাটা হয়েছে তাদেরকে পুনরায় পাতা প্রদানের ব্যবস্থা করা হোক নতুন করে আরো 30,000 পাতা তাদের নামে ওরা দরখাস্ত করেছে অতি শীঘ্রই তাদের পাতা দেওয়ার ব্যবস্থা করা হোক এছাড়া আমরা যেটা বলেছি যে
Elaborating his points further, Radhacharan Debarma said that the state government had arbitrarily deleted at least 30,000 names from the list of PMAY beneficiaries of social security allowances, which was causing great suffering to the poorer sections of people. He added that many states, including neighboring Mizoram, is continuing midday meal program and paying stipends to the students who have already suffered huge losses in studies because of the raging COVID pandemic. Therefore, he demanded that it is urgently needed in the areas inhabited by poor people belonging to the SC, ST and minority committees. The midday meal program must continue and restarted and all outstanding stipends must be paid up so that the students belonging to these depressed communities can continue their studies. Radhacharan Debarma added that the TUGMP will continue its current agitational program by giving deputation to the officials from village levels to the district magistrates of district in the interest of people. He also castigated the dysfunctional state to which all the village committees have been reduced because of the squabbles between the Tipra Motha and the ruling BJP. Bureau Report, Halabol.